and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the second part of the gap analysis section known as backlink gap. Before starting the video, I would like to say that I hope all of you are in good health and you're taking good care of yourselves and you're ensuring the safety of yourself, your home, your people, and of those around you by staying at home, by staying clean, and by taking care of your physical hygiene. So hold tight and hopefully we'll all be out of this as soon as possible. All we need to do is ensure that we're taking all the precautionary measures and we're doing our part. So I know it can be depressing and it can be very disappointing as well. So just hold tight, be patient, and this will be over soon. Fingers crossed. Okay, so coming back to the video, we have backlink gap to discuss and analyze and explore more specifically today. So we're going to see how it works. Okay, how it works. Compare domains, enter your domain and your competitor's domain, then you can find prospects. We will analyze these websites' backlink profiles and discover untapped backlink opportunities. Receive domains to target. You will receive a list of domains to target in your link building campaigns. So this is extremely beneficial if you're looking to work more on your backlinks, if you're looking to modify your backlinks analyzing or backlink generating strategies. This will be a perfect section to observe and learn from. Okay, so for example, we're gonna insert a domain like ebay.com. I know this is becoming an overused example, but we're gonna continue this and see how it works. Okay, so we're gonna use CNET, then we're gonna go with MSN and Wired and Imgur. Okay, so in our previous videos, we didn't use more than 2 or 3 competitors in order to see the effectivity of a tool's purpose. But in this video, we're going to use 4 competitors to see how exactly does it work and what are the impacts that we can have by using this. Okay, so we're gonna click on Find Prospects. Okay, so ebay.com and all of these, total backlinks. This chart displays the total number of backlinks for a root domain. It helps you track the growth of your domain's backlink profile over a specific time period. Each point on the graph only reflects backlinks seen by a crawler in the last 3 months. Okay, so you get the data for the last 3 months on this chart. And eBay is right here in 16 billion. And the rest of them are mostly here. And we cannot see CNET anywhere though. We can see MSN, we can see Imgur, but we cannot see CNET. eBay is way on the top. It's there with 16 billion backlinks. If we scroll down, we can see that these are the prospects for domain of ebay.com. There's LinkedIn, MIT, Taobao, and Weibo, and so many more. So if we were to choose another website like cnet.com, we can also see their referring domains and where they can get the backlinks from, or where they're already getting the backlinks from. Okay, the total number of analyzed domains that this referring domain is linking to, and that is the definition of matches. Then we have authority scores, are proprietary metric used to measure overall quality of domain and influence in SEO. Okay, so you can also see where you're getting your backlinks from and where the competitors are getting backlinks from, but you can also see how many of them are credible, how many of them are actually authoritative, and how many of them can actually have an influence on promoting you or actually overall polishing your online presence if they were to be used as prospects. Okay, so we have Pinterest here. For CNET.com, we have Pinterest here with 95 authority score, and that is the highest score. And if we keep scrolling down, we can see some other sites as well. And okay, you see, so these are very, very extensive chains of data, because we're here on cnet.com, we're analyzing this domain for backlinks and their prospects, but we're only on the page number 1, and it has 11,752 more pages. Like, these pages are the remaining pages. So it means that this is a very, very diverse sheet of data, and you can use this to keep planning and keep implementing the strategy that you want to in order to refine your own online presence and your own online reputation of your brand. Okay, so if we want to, we can also export all of this data into a CSV file. And the best thing you see about SEMrush is that most of the reports that you're viewing, you can download them in Excel sheets. You can download that data to analyze it later on if you don't have internet, if you don't have the device that you were operating on. And this is a very useful thing because it allows you to really enjoy all of the facilities that it's providing and all of the reports and data that you have the ability to gain access to without any limitations. So this is extremely useful. So Backlink Gap can allow you to analyze backlinks for not only yourself but also for your competitors. You can find the prospect domains that you can use in order to promote yourself, and also to see where most of the backlinks of your competitors is coming from and how much authority do these prospects have. So this is extremely useful. This is extremely beneficial. You can use it to improve your marketing strategies, to improve your backlink strategies. So go ahead and use this tool for yourself.